guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video I will be making a Guyanese pastry for you guys, alright? And it's called pinwheel. They have all different type of pinwheel. They have chicken pinwheel, beef pinwheel, fish pinwheel. But today I'm gonna show you guys how to make chicken pinwheel, alright? So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video and give my video a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video, alright? And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton, right? Trust me, all my measurements and ingredients is also in the description box down below, alright? And also I'll try to put a few of my other Guyanese pastries as well, alright? And you guys also can go and check out my playlist, alright? I made a playlist with all my different type of dishes and my Guyanese dishes as well, and I put them in different groups, so you guys can go and check that out as well, alright? So let me just show you my ingredients for my Guyanese chicken pinwheel. Enjoy. Hi guys, so these are my ingredients for my Guyanese chicken pinwheel. First we have some chili powder, cilantro, thyme powder, parsley flakes, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, paprika, onion powder, ginger powder. We have 1 egg beat up. We have our yeast, butter, milk. This is our flour here, and I also put a teaspoon of salt. And this is my chicken mince here. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is make our dough. Okay, to make our dough, this is our flour and salt in there. We're gonna put some butter into the flour and take your hands and mix up your butter into the flour. We'll be back. So my butter already mixed up into my flour, so you're gonna put in your yeast now and mix it up. So now we're gonna put in our milk and our egg. So we're gonna put in our egg first, and we're gonna put in our milk and form a dough. So you're gonna knead your dough now for about 5 minutes or until it gets smooth. We'll be back. Okay, so I finished kneading my dough. I kneaded for about 4 minutes. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna get like a plastic wrap, and you're gonna cover your bowl and let this get like double in size. Probably can take about a half an hour to 45 minutes. So I'm leaving my dough to rise, so we're gonna fry for our chicken now. So this is my chicken mince. You could either put all the seasoning in here now, or you're gonna just put it in the pan. I'm gonna put it in the pan. So I'll show you guys next. So I'm gonna put in my chicken mince now to fry it in the oil. To season it up, I'm going to put some all-purpose seasoning. Check the description box for all the measurements and ingredients. Some chicken seasoning, paprika, ginger powder, onion powder, garlic powder. Let me just stir it. So now you're gonna put in your parsley flakes, thyme powder, cilantro, and some chili powder to give it a little kick. Alright, so you're going to stir everything up together and fry it up. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so it has been frying for 10 minutes. So just now I put some mustard hot sauce. I just put this mustard hot sauce. And also I'm going to put some ketchup. Just give it a little color. So stir it up. And let it keep frying up, alright? So we'll be back. Okay guys, so this part is optional. If you wanted to put a little bit of cheese inside of the chicken, it's optional. I just feel like putting the cheese, so it's up to you. Alright? So this is finished cooking here. And my dough is still rising. So I have to wait till this cool down now. And then I'll show you guys the next step. Alright? Let me taste it and see if it needs any salt or any all-purpose seasoning. Perfect. Tastes really good. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a few when this cool down. We'll be back. Okay, so my dough has risen double in size. So you're gonna take some flour, a little bit of flour, and you're gonna sprinkle it on your countertop. And I'm going to put my dough there. And you're gonna press this down. And you're gonna take a rolling pin and roll it. So you're gonna try to roll. So you're gonna try to roll it into like a rectangular shape. Alright. Okay guys, so I finished rolling it out. So what you're gonna do now is get some butter. I went to the supermarket, I forget to buy butter. Anyhow, hope this can do. So you can take some butter and spread it all over. Alright, so I finished putting the butter. So what I'm gonna do now is spread the chicken mince all over. So now you can take a spatula and just spread out the chicken all over. Don't put it totally in and in. At least leave that about a centimeter or so. Alright. So I finished spreading it all over. So what we're gonna do now, you're gonna roll it. Alright. Keep rolling. Take your time and roll it. I'm gonna break an egg. We'll be back. So what you're gonna do now for these ends here, you're gonna take your egg wash and just rub it here so you can paste down, so you can lock in all the meat. Paste it down really good. and try to lift it up and turn it over. And the ends now, you're gonna fold it in. Fold in the ends, both sides. So what you're gonna do now is cut them. Use a sharp knife and cut it. I'm just trying to get like equal shapes. Alright? So you're gonna cut them just like this. And you're gonna lift it up gently. And you're gonna get a baking pan and you're gonna put them in a baking pan like this. Alright? So we'll be back. Okay guys, so I finished cutting and putting my pinwheel in the pan here. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna cover this and let this rest for another half an hour to 45 minutes. Okay guys, so this has been resting for over an hour. So I'm gonna put it in the oven now to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. I could already see two of these are looking good, but we'll be back. Okay guys, so my pinwheel finished baking. So I'm gonna put it in now and let you guys see. When it's finished, right, you're gonna take some butter and put it on top. Alright, we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is my pinwheel here, soft and nice. So I have one here in Guyana. I'm gonna show you how we do it in Guyana here. So this is one in the pinwheel. This one get twisted up. So what we do, we put ketchup up top here. I don't know why we do this, but this is how they sell it in the pastry shop. So they spread the ketchup all over the top, just like this. I hope you guys can see. And then they can take the cheese and they just put the cheese on top like this. I don't know why they do it like this, but this is how they do it in Guyana. This is how we do it. So I'm gonna taste it now on camera. Wow. Tastes really good. Wow. It is just like in the bakery shop, but better. Yummy. One more bite. Guys, you guys should try this recipe. It's so good. So delicious. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright? Thank you guys so much for watching my video. And you guys can share my video as well. Alright? Take care. Bye.